Good day, everyone. I was given this old drawing table that used to be a school desk in a technical school. I find it beautiful, but it is very lived, as you can see. I wanted to uh, renovate it, but without a too strong restoration. I wanted to use a product easy to find and cheap without too fancy tools. As you can see, the table doesn't seem new, but this is what I wanted. The positive thing about using Restyling is that I can apply as many coat as I want until I get the result that satisfies me. The important thing is to let a few hours pass between application in order to let the product dry and be absorbed. I wanted to share my experience to make sure that if you want to renovate a piece of furniture in similar condition, you have my project as a reference and you can make a more informed choice. Please leave a comment to let me know your opinions. I'd love to hear from you. Once we have the result we want, we wipe with a clean and dry cloth to remove any residue. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For you, it is completely free and is simple an acknowledgement of my work. For me, every inscription is important. Take care and see you soon.